Are you sliding all over the water? Yeah.
So today, our youngest boy, who is 1 year old, decided to put that into the microwave. And I'm no expert, but I do not believe those go in here, because when it beeped and I came running in here and smelled smoke, flames were shooting out of the door. So it's pretty much scorched. And I wiped it up pretty good bit with a towel and put the flames out. But funny thing about it, it beeped when it stopped.
That's because the truck was done.
The truck was done, yeah. But I don't know if flames got in here or not. But I do know it got up here. Like I said, it was, when I came in here, it was shooting out the top. And so if you have a little boy and you have a microwave, I'd unplug your microwave if I wasn't using it. We've learned that the hard way. So I think he's pleased with what he's done. Sounds like it. Hey. Yeah, you did this. Come here. This little guy right here is the culprit. Look at the job you did, man. Look. You see that? You did that. You happy? Not? You gonna do it again? Are you gonna do it again? Are you gonna do it again? You talking to somebody? You gonna call the fire department next time? Okay. Well, does anybody have a used microwave for sale?
Or for free.
For free? Yeah.